Amanya n'eddoboozi bamita MCSMX representing straight out SMX media. Waliwo abadde batandise ozunza olugambo nga Eddy Kenzo yagraduatinze ku YMCA Institute nga bamwe bakyagiyita naye nga kati bagiyita YMCA University kubanga tewaliyo institute awarding aba students na degree oba bachelors ate nga yo YMCA kikola. So YMCA mwe n'abagimanyi nga institute tekyali institute wabula it's a university kubanga institute zonna zikomako certificate na diploma naye ate yo YMCA balina ne degree program, that means it's a university. Sabamu babadde bagambu Eddy Kenzo yagraduatinze ku YMCA ne bamuwa ne certificate. Ekyo si kituufu bannange. Ekirungi wano olina videos engendo balaga obulungi and what transpired at YMCA nera Eddy Kenzo abadde akola ki ku YMCA. Ekyo ekifaananyi kye kyasinza okutambula abamu ne bagamba engeri Eddy Kenzo gy'abadde ne principal wa YMCA iyo ne certificate biki nedda ebyo byonna si bituufu. Eddy Kenzo yabadde bamuyise nga guest of honor ku YMCA Buwambo campus neera nga babadde mu kusimba miti, campaign y'okusimba emiti okukeepinga obutonde nga buli green ye campaign gye yabaddeko. Kati principal wa YMCA ayise Eddy Kenzo nga guest of honor nga ukali kalombolombo ku YMCA babawa buli guest of honor certificate. Neleyo certificate jimulaba principal wa YMCA awa Eddy Kenzo is a certificate of recognition and appreciation. Wabula si certificate mbu Eddy Kenzo ya complete nze course wa YMCA nibasoka bamutikira mbu yete yalinze matika nibasalawo agambe mbu omanyi ngeri yabimalirizayo bulungi ye ne bamuwa certificate. Ekyo si kituufu. Ekirungi ekiriwo nina videos bulungi nnyo and what transpired okuba Eddy Kenzo yatuusa abaana engeri bamusanyukidda ku YMCA neera bye bino byengenda okubalaga. Naye nga sinabikulaga bambi nkusaba subscribing liking ate commenting. Ffe wano tukuleetera mazima tetubeera na propaganda. Bye bino ebyagenze mu maaso ku YMCA nga Eddy Kenzo bali mu preserving obutonde n'okusimba emiti.
Let's go behind. Let's give I want everyone to see, you know. When you are far, let's go behind. Let's go behind. Now we're good. So get the right person. From the version you do. Yes, Papa, you are so cool. Let us say, in the mono version, if not that, please, Nenda kuongea na mwana. Okay, kisa kataka na nyembele kaongea na mwana. Nenda kwa DJ. Kale chuso limbo kuona. Neighbors, let's push behind. Let's push behind. Nenda kwa DJ. Kale kubasiki. From senior 1 to senior 3, and then passed the next jam, had to drop out, next jam hustle, and then I'm here. Yeah. I remember I was talking to them. We had a group, we had a clique, you know, and I told them, man, now I'm going. I don't know how life is going to be. I have to go. We felt so sad, you know, we're all sad on the third term, because I told him, you know what, I can't manage it, I can't continue because I don't have a person. And by that time, tuli now, science is compulsory. I have to wait for the person to be mature for 4 years, and I could not wait. I had to go and start hustling elsewhere. It was so sad. And everyone thought I'm going to be a failure. They all thought I'm going to fail in life. They thought I'm going to go start selling soda again, water in tax park. They thought I'm done. But see where I am today. I'm standing in front of you guys, giving a speech. Yeah, but nasobola okwachivinga bino byonna lwaki nategeera ennaku yange nenga man, now this is something new. What can I do? Somero ndivudde kati this is the time to face reality. Nemanya ki ekigenda okunyamba, self discipline, you know, hard work, honest. Then I had to make sure that I think twice before I do act. Kati kitegeeza ki? Self discipline. Gwe wennyini ng'omuntu mu bulamu bwo olina okwemanaginga. We live in a society where tubeerera ne bafrendi baffe ne batuwa different advices. Ne bakubuulira, you know, ekiraga mwana okole kino, okole kiri, okole kino, okole kiri. Tugende go out, tugende tugula abaana kitegeera ekiri ki, kati wano tukinywemu, wano tukiryemu, wano tukole ki. Ayi nnyingi nnyo n'abantu okwagala okulaga nti bakabi mu ngeri emu endala. They influence you to do what they do. Sometimes they even challenge the kind of life you're living because they want you to live the life they're living. But at the end of the day, mukama yatutonda ffenna tuli banjawulo, tulina choices za njawulo. Bw'obanga olina goal yo ng'omanyi olina ky'ogoba in life, you want to achieve some, please, you need to focus. You need to focus no matter what people say. You have to you have to face this challenge to make sure that you
amanya nsigadde nze MCSMX obeera oyagadde kyenkoze nkusaba mbe subscribing, liking ate commenting. Amanya ndowooza nsigadde nze MCSMX, I sign out.